August, a massive blast that rocks Lebanon capital, and this huge explosion killed at least 73 people and 3,700 got injured, or 24,000 crore property is completely destroyed and thousands of people are now homeless. But the news says that ammonium nitrate exploded in Beirut warehouse. But it is unacceptable that a shipment of 2,750 tons of ammonium nitrate warehouse has been stored for 6 years. So in a video of blast, huge puff smoke was seen rising into sky and distance building completely shaken. But the survey team said that a black and red smoke was formed. But this was an incomplete reaction. Actually, this must be a small explosion, and that leads to an ammonium nitrate to turn an explosive. So it may be an accident. But the point is, its radiation spread to a radius of 10 kilometers, and sound of blast was heard up to a distance of 240 kilometers that leads to formation of seismic earthquake waves. And now it's count under world's top 5 most powerful explosions and can be compared with Nagasaki Hiroshima nuclear attack. But this information we can easily get from news channels and many other sources. But guys, we are science aspirants and are always curious to learn why and how things occur behind anything. So in this episode, we will deeply discuss why this explosion is compared with a nuclear attack and why black and red smoke were formed, because usually whenever any happen, only black or red smoke were formed, but here both color smoke had been occurred. And now the most terrifying part, how its wave shaken out the distance building and huge waves were formed, because explosion smoke was not too much large, but its white color wave, a cloud that destroyed everything or the shaken out every building nearby it. So guys, if you want to completely understand this explosion, how this happened and why this happened and complete reason behind it, watch this video till the end and share it as much as you can. So guys, let's begin. Ammonium nitrate, highly soluble in water and does not form hydrate, so it is used for explosive industrial works. But our task is to study what makes this gas too much explosive. So guys, here's the reaction. When nitric acid reacts with ammonia, it leads to formation of ammonium nitrate NH4NO3. But in this case, ammonia is used in anhydrous form and the nitric acid is concentrated very violent and highly exothermic. And during this reaction, excess water is evaporated to leave behind ammonium nitrate concentration of 99.9%. So this is the process how ammonium nitrate is formed. So now guys, coming to a reaction, why it's too much explosive and cause huge destruction. So ammonium nitrate salt NH4 plus cation and NO3 minus anion that takes part in a chemical reaction. So when NH4NO3 decomposed on heating below 300 degrees Celsius, and then this decomposition reaction is highly exothermic and the mass of ammonium nitrate is greater than the critical mass of decomposition. So guys, are you imagining its mass is greater than the critical mass decomposition? This huge reaction leads to the formation of tremendous amount of energy, which will lead to an high amount of explosion. And due to this reason, scientists estimated that this explosion is equals to a 3 kiloton of TNT atomic bomb that was dropped on Hiroshima, Nagasaki on Japan during Second World War. And this blast produced seismic waves that you have seen in this video. The seismic waves magnitude is of 4.5% of the earthquake. And this chemical composition was also used in Mumbai 26/11 attack. That's why that causes a huge destruction. So guys, here we have understood that when this reaction begins with heat or fuel, it gets decomposed and cause a massive explosion. And we have also seen that when this reaction got decomposes to nitrogen dioxide plus water, this nitrogen dioxide, the released gas, leads to the formation of black and red cloud. That was, you have seen in this video, that black and red cloud mixture was formed only because of the second part, the secondary reaction working of nitrogen dioxide. Guys, here we have understood that when reaction begins with heat or fuel, it get decomposed and cause massive explosion. And we have also seen in this reaction when it get decomposed, a nitrogen dioxide gas is released, and due to this nitrogen dioxide gas, the black and the red cloud was formed. Actually, this will be working as a secondary part of the reaction. Okay, so the main reason behind the formation of black and red cloud was due to the nitrogen dioxide. So guys, I have discussed everything about this incident, the destruction, but in this video we have seen the explosion was not too huge and the fire was only at the single building. But in the video, just after 10 seconds, we all have seen that the white huge form of layer or a cloud just formed, and that layer wave shaken everything, destroyed every building nearby him, and it was not having any amount of bomb and nothing. And this was one of the most terrifying part, why that white cloud or a layer formed and smashed everything near it. So guys, that white cloud layer was formed due to the relative critical humidity of ammonium nitrate. What is relative humidity? So guys, if any chemical reaction or if any chemical compound have the ability to absorb water or moisture completely from the nearby distance objects from it, then that compound have the property of a relative humidity. Relative humidity is just the absorption of water or moisture from the nearby objects. So guys, everything nearby this explosion, buildings, humans, cars, everything is having a moisture inside particles, having water content in it, and every human is just having 70% of its water. So when this reaction occurs, when this ammonium nitrate turns to an explosive, and due to its critical relative humidity, this white cloud layer absorbs all amount of moisture, water from their nearby distant buildings, and due to which everything was destroyed or smashed. That huge white cloud layer just smashed everything without having any explosive in it. So it's more dangerous than a bomb or an explosive. So guys, now you know everything behind this explosion, why this incident happened and why it was too dangerous, and scientists estimated as a nuclear bomb. So guys, suppose if this explosion take place at the center of the Lebanon, what will happen? Everything get destroyed because 60% of the waves just absorbed on the ocean only. So suppose if this explosion taken place in the middle of the city, everything will be vanished. So it was one of the most dangerous incident plays in our human history. If you really learned something from this video, or you know about the incident, or your friends are not knowing the real reason behind it, share with your friends or in your circle, and like this video and support by clicking on the red subscribe button. Guys, please support, and till then keep yourself safe and keep imagining.